In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Fibonacci in MT4 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up charts. So at the bottom, the second tab will open up your chart. And then from here, you want to go to the very top where you can see there's like 5 different symbols. And the one in the middle where you can see to the right of where it says F, there's like a rectangle, a circle, and a triangle. Tap on that, and this will open up the objects. Now, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus button in the top right. And then here you can scroll down a bit, and in here you can find Fibonacci here in the middle. So there's a bunch of different ones. You have the Fibonacci retracement, time zones, fan, arcs, channel, and expansion. So select the one you want. So for example, if I select the retracement over here, I can tap on it, and from here I can go ahead and basically drag it out like this. And of course I can then customize it. I can change it. In the top left you can see where you're placing it because there's like a zoom in, and then you can go ahead and customize it however you want to. You could even like tap on it and then change it like this, move it around, etc. So that's how to add Fibonacci in MT4 mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.